doing?
I don't know. Is he purring?
I think he's doing Zerber or something like that. You got the hiccups again?
Milo has the hiccups.
Why does he keep saying Dada? Or is he saying blah blah?
I rub the head. Poor thing. Oh, graduated. So that song means that my Hatchimal is now a kid. So that means that we get to do a whole bunch of new games with him, and we get to play a whole bunch of new songs and dance and things like that. So we will play a game in the next video. But yay! Milo, you're now a kid! Yay! Yeah, you're talking more too. Yay!